Ittai. The grammar of Ittai is mean in facing what on the earth, what in the world. Ittai in faces on what on earth, what in the world. Ittai in Japanese, when you use Ittai, you can end or after Ittai you should follow by the end by the question mark, question sentence. And Ittai you can use in kanji or you can use in hiragana, as you see here, Ittai. So don't be confused when you see Ittai in hiragana or in kanji. And please remember that after Ittai you should end by the question mark in every sentence. So the next, let's go to see some sample. Ittai doko de kare ni atta n da? Ittai doko de kare ni atta n da? Which means, where on earth did you meet him? Where on earth did you meet him? Next example. あなたは一体何をしていますか？あなたは一体何をしていますか？ Which means, what exactly are you doing? What exactly are you doing? When you use ittai, that means you want to specify something, or specific, or you want to focus that what happened. For the first sentence, they say ittai doko de kare ni attan desu ka? This means when you want to focus that where did you meet him, so you can use ittai, right? So many places that they meet each other, but you don't know. You want to focus in that sentence, in that meaning, in that where the place that they meet or they met each other. And for the second sentence, we say that あなたは一体何をしていますか? What exactly are you doing? Maybe he or she are do many work, but you don't know the main word that he or she doing. So when you want to focus the main word that she is or he is doing, so you can say 一体何をしていますか? Something like this. You can say 一体何を言っていますか? When you focus that what is he or she talking about, you can say 一体何を言っていますか? Something like this. The next, あの人は一体何のものだ? あの人は一体何のものだ? Which means, who in the world is that? Who in the world is that? 彼女は一体どこに住んでいるんだろう? 彼女は一体どこに住んでいるんだろう? Which means, where in the world does she live? Where in the world does she live? For the first sentence, you see that 一体何のものだ? Which means, when you want to focus that person, that what is that person, or who is she, who is he, something like this. Maybe he is very special person, right? Such as billionaire or millionaire or prime ministers, but you don't know, but you want to focus that who is she or who is he exactly, something like this. And for the second sentence, we see that 一体どこに住んでいるんだろう? When you don't know that he or she, where does he or she live, so you want to focus that the place that he or she lives, you can say 一体どこに住んでいるんだろう? something like this. So I hope that you know about how to use the grammar of Ittai, nani nani.